Hello guys, welcome back to Info Engine. So today I'm going to unbox my new Hero 9 Black GoPro. Wow, I'm very excited that I have got this. So let me unbox. And I bought this from USA, United States, during Black Friday sale. So normally what happens during Black Friday sale, the price of the GoPro will be very less. So I paid around 27,000 rupees in US. So, and this is like bundled package. So it comes with one a mini tripod type of a thing and extra battery and SD card. So I'll talk about the features later. So let me open this. For the first time, GoPro has given the kit, like the box. Hero 8 did not have the box like this or the pouch like this. This comes with a superb bag, I can say. Wow, 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 wow. Here you go. So it has the shorty. Shorty can be mounted here, and this is the extra mount. I think we can use it anywhere, maybe like this, wherever we want. Two batteries. Actually, I thought the batteries of Hero 8 and Hero 9 are same, but actually this is different. These batteries are little larger than Hero 8, so we cannot use Hero 8 batteries with Hero 9. So this is, and here is the beast. Let me open this also. So they have given like a lot of mounts, which is a great thing. I think this can be used in car as a car mount, and there are like a lot of mounts they have given. Pretty cool, but I don't think they have given the charging cable. Let me open and see. Here is the beast. Wow, 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 wow. The best feature of this camera is we can see the front display while vlogging. So I'll make another video like how to use this and all. This looks simply amazing. And let me see what is this. Oh yeah, they have given the cable, type C cable. In India it is costing about 40,000, that too for the single camera, but in US it is like very cheap. I got it for 26,000, that too with additional battery, memory card and all these things. So they have also given like subscription code, all this. This is cool. So that's all. And about features, it comes with 5K recording option. It's 20 megapixel camera, and there are like a lot of features you can go through here. So I just wanted to make unbox video, so I have done it. I'll make separate video about using, performance, all this. So till then, stay subscribed to Info Engine YouTube channel. Bye bye.